Wow, has it really been that long since I made a video? And welcome back, guys, to Speed Trends Racing. So I'm gonna start off this video. I've done this video probably 3 times in the whole time I've ever been doing YouTube, where you have a big pause of not uploading videos. It's been about 5 months since I've seen you guys, and I don't really have any good reason. I just been super busy, but everybody uses that excuse nowadays. And just trying to, like, at the end of the year, as you can see, not a whole lot of work happens because I do construction. So it's been penny pitching, paycheck to paycheck, kind of, you know, what we're all experiencing, right? And I have realistically haven't done anything cool at the shop worth recording because I've had to, like, put everything on a standstill. But that'll make more sense once we get inside the shop. But right now it's January 11th, the very beginning of 2025, and this is the year, guys. I really want to make this shop right here profitable, but in the most honest way and the way that God wants me to run it, because I know if I trust him, he'll bless me with it. And realistically, I just it's time for me to get a new job. I've been working with my father at Douglas Concrete Pumping for about 12 years now, and it's just time, you know. And so anyways, let's work on, like, the update, right? So right now, 72 Chevy C30 is covered in snow, which I haven't seen this thing covered with snow in a while, but the plan was that I was going to go to PFI Speed Fest and take the hatch out to Colorado and then try to find a vehicle. Then I had a van. Then I sold the van and I was going to get this running, and then that didn't happen. I put this right back here. And then in the last video, or last couple videos that I was making, was about, ta-da, the hatch. So as you can see, it has not moved not even once in the last 5 months because the transmission is still out of it. I have everything ready to, except the transmission, to have it be installed. I have, like, a clean area to get the transmission put in there really nice. Everything's all cleaned. I got, like, the shock forks painted, but this transmission has been just, whew, it has not been fun the last 5 months. So with that said, it came out really nice because this is the last piece of the puzzle to finally go, like, decently fast. This is the transmission, man. It's a M2S4 out of a 95 Honda Prelude SI. And so as you guys last saw, I took this out of the car and then I took it all apart, rebuilt it in theory, right? But it was a whole story, right? That's just one story. But painting it came out really pretty good. I mean, you know, from, 5 feet away, oh, it looks great, you know, but I didn't do, like, crazy. I didn't go crazy on, like, the paint prep or anything. So there's, like, still, you know, marks and a little bit of RTV and everything. But, like, when you see this inside that engine bay, it's going to look so nice, right? Even got the Syncrotech sticker on it. Oh, came out perfect, right? So here's the story on this transmission. Where do I begin? So I had the transmission all apart. So top case off, counter shaft and main shaft out with all the gears and the bearings and the synchros and the washers and all that. And I did step by step, put them all together. And then I went to put it all together, put the shafts on inside the transmission, and I couldn't get third and fourth, which is, like, right on the other. If you had this open, it would be this shaft, right? And it's right here. So I was trying to pivot that back and forth and found out that the kit I bought to rebuild this transmission on third and fourth has 2 different size shift forks. One's a 6.5 and another one's a 7.5. So the kit I bought it for was a 7.5 and I really need the 6.5. So that was about 3 weeks out. I got the right not shift forked, but selector, third and fourth, put it in there. Everything's shifting fine. I went to put this case on and it wasn't seating. It was probably about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch from even, like, touching, right, and mating up. And I found out that I have an oil guide plate, which if you take this off and you flip it upside down, there's this washer that has, like, a cone in it and it like goes on the end of the main shaft or the counter shaft, one of those two, and help feeds oil through the transmission. And that was messed up. So it took me almost 3 months to get that part, because I bought one for a B series on accident, and then I bought one for an what said H series online, and that was the wrong one. And I went to Honda, and then they were like 2 months out. And then I finally called up Synchrotech, and they have the old books from way back in the day, the diagrams of like a blown up diagram of the H series transmissions, F series, all the ones, right? He's like, hey, this is the part number you need for an H series oil guide plate. Get this one. I'm like, okay, cool. And I go to Honda, give them that serial number. $9.86 later, this thing is all back together. And so thought I heard somebody pulling up. Anyways, so transmission, dude, is like super close to getting back into the car. And then that's going to be just a whole couple videos right there. And then I have my son's quad we've been working on too. And that's a whole video of itself, and it's coming out really good. And I won't go too much in detail of that because I already know I have a video of that. And then he also has his Razor scooter that we fixed up. And oh man, we made some cool videos. And I haven't really introduced my son to the channel except way back in the day when he was a baby. But yeah, like more of the story, I haven't done much, not much to film, but there's plenty to film here really soon. And I think I'm going to be doing a lot of things here at the shop, a lot of different things. And one of those things is making content for you guys. And I really am going to try to be, on a constant schedule, and just realistically finding out like what I'm meant to be doing videos for. And because I still love it in my heart, my soul. But I also want to be able to put in a lot of work, because the like thing that kind of is a drag right now is that I'm in a little bit of debt. I won't tell you what kind of debt that is, but it's forcing me to get a new job or working a whole lot more at my job I have right now. And I'm thinking that what I need to do is speed trans racing. So that's what God's got like my thoughts on. And I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it like the best shot I can. So thank you guys for all your encouragement and all your support, likes and comments and everything. And I hope that I can give you guys good coverage of the things that, me and my friends and my family are all doing here at this shop. And you guys enjoy the beginning of your new year. See ya.